This is Mom playing Farmville. Smile, Mom. Look at the camera. You'll be on YouTube later.
What? No, I better not.
This is Gringo. Gringo. Gringo, do you speak? Does he speak, Mom?
Yeah. Can you speak? You ain't got no treat. Can you speak? Speak. Speak. Tell me.
Good job.
Tell Mom I don't got nothing. I'll show that.
Winston,
Can you
looking
sit?
bored. Grandpa Dave was playing cars. Tim. And Misty's cooking. We're cooking, Beach.
Yeah, get it on video.
I know, right? Yeah, what are we making here? Chili. See what the boys are doing. Hi, boys. Can you say hey to BB? Jackson. Hi. What are you eating? What are those? Who's on those? Is that Mickey Mouse? Jared said backpack. The heck is a straw holder? No. Never seen one of those. Here's Misty's tree. I did today. I went and got some today. Just all different stuff. Dollar General. We're watching Max and Ruby. Yeah? Okay, that's everybody.